Hi, I'm Matt McCoy. You know, as homeowners, it really feels like we're responsible for a lot. The house, garage, deck, and the roof over our heads. So, what happens if things go wrong and something is damaged? Well, it turns out you can breathe easy, because dwelling coverage from the Hartford will pay for repairs due to damage from a variety of causes, such as fire, lightning, and vandalism. And it includes all the things that make your home functional, like plumbing, electrical, and heating and cooling systems from covered losses. And all structures attached to your house like your garage, your porch, or your deck. And if you insure your home for 100% of the recommended dwelling amount from the Hartford, let's say for example $250,000, in the event of a total covered loss to your home, you're then eligible for up to 150% in total coverage, or up to $375,000, which includes the current cost of rebuilding materials and labor. Contact the Hartford to help you determine the dwelling and replacement cost coverage that's just right for you.